Mixed Conditionals Unveiled. Bridging past and present. Hello, English learners. Welcome to a new episode on our channel. Today, we are delving deep into the realm of English grammar to uncover the secrets of mixed conditional sentences. We'll specifically be focusing on the Mixed Conditional Type 2, Third Conditional in the If-Clause and Second Conditional in the Main Clause. It might sound complicated, but don't worry, we'll break it down and make it easy for you. In the Mixed Conditional Type 2, we use the third conditional in the if clause, which refers to a condition in the past that did not happen, and the second conditional in the main clause, which refers to an unreal, hypothetical situation in the present. It looks something like this. If plus past perfect, would plus base form of verb. Let's dive into an example. If I had studied harder in school, I would be a doctor now. Here, the first part refers to an unreal past condition. The person did not study hard in school. The second part refers to the unreal present result. The person is not a doctor now. Mixed Conditional Type 2 sentences can seem a bit confusing at first. That's because they connect a past event, or non-event, with a present hypothetical situation. But don't fret. Let's make it easier with another example. If she had gone to the party last night, she wouldn't be at home bored right now. In this example, the speaker is connecting an unreal past event, the person did not go to the party, with an unreal present situation. The person is not bored at home. This kind of mixed conditional allows us to explore how things could be different in the present if something had happened differently in the past. Now that we understand the structure and logic of Mixed Conditional Type 2, let's put our knowledge into practice. Try making your own mixed conditional sentences using this structure. Remember, the more you practice, the more natural it will become. That wraps up our lesson on Mixed Conditional Type 2. It's a powerful tool for expressing hypothetical situations linking the past and present. Keep practicing and soon you'll master this intriguing aspect of English grammar. Stay tuned for more exciting lessons, and remember, every step you take brings you closer to language mastery. Happy learning!